Hi everyone, this is Alan Schimmel, DevOps TV, DevOps.com, here at our broadcast hub live on the floor of Jenkins World, joined by Viktor Farcic of Cloudbees.
Cloudbees.
But also Viktor is the author of the DevOps Toolkit
2.0, 2.1,
2.0, and now 2.2.
Third one coming.
You heard it here first.
I'm writing it faster than you can read it.
Okay, so Viktor, first of all, as I think I mentioned to you, I was at a DevOps meetup group last week, talking to a young developer, very big Jenkins developer, and he was giving us some of the challenges he faced. He was a one-man team, and his bosses didn't understand what's this continuous delivery thing, what is the DevOps, and he was literally fighting against the tide. I gave him a copy of your book that I had in the office.
It's a good thing to do.
Yes, it was my last copy though. You have to give
you'll
me
get
some
more then.
Yes.
If you're giving away, you'll get more.
I give them away. But it really, his whole face brightened up from it.
Oh, that's so nice to hear.
Good to hear.
So,
for our audience out there though, what's the DevOps? Tell us what the book is about.
So there are 3 books, right? The first one is a very high level overview of DevOps, different practices, different tools, and so on and so forth. And then those that are coming after that are more focused on certain subject. Like 2.1 is all about Docker and Docker Swarm, and 2.2 is about creating a self-adaptive system.
Oh,
meaning system without humans. It's like Matrix.
Okay, well, yeah, we love that. Okay.
Yeah, and it's very hands-on. So no blah blah
well,
blah.
All
theory.
of your books are hands-on with great diagrams, how-tos, and I mean, I've read through it myself, and it really is that. Now, the books are published by
yours only.
By Viktor, yes.
Yeah. I
but
mean,
no, Packet.
I self-publish on Amazon and EPUB, and then Pact distributes it to the rest of the world.
Oh, they're the distributor. Got it.
But because the process I have is a bit different, I publish the book when it's 20% done.
Really?
And then people get it, read it, and then start sending me feedback. Oh, I want you to do this. I want you to do that, kind of. So when I start writing, I don't have a scope. I just start writing something, and then depending on readers' feedback, I go in one direction or another.
Interesting. That's DevOps.
Yeah, that's DevOps. That's DevOps, Agile, open source, whatever you name it.
Doing your thing. Very interesting.
It's not my book. It's actually the combination of me and readers collaborating on a certain subject.
So when will that be out, 2.2?
It's already out. It's 60% done.
So where can we get it?
Limpub. Limpub.com.
Talk to the audience.
Limpub.com.
Can you spell that?
LEANPUB.com. I think I'm terrible at spelling.
It's okay, no, that sounds right. LEANPUB.com. And that's the DevOps Toolkit 2.2.
2.2, yes.
Excellent. Viktor, in addition to writing though, I also know that you do a ton of workshops, evangelizing, teaching, all over the world for Cloudbees.
Yeah, I mean, not only for... That's one of the reasons why I'm in Cloudbees, because I always wanted to spend a lot of time teaching, preaching and stuff like that. Not kind of as a way to earn, I just like sharing things. And Cloudbees gives me that space, kind of. You can go to conferences as much as you want, we're fine with that. I'm fine with that. So I think that sometimes I don't see my home for more than a couple of days a month.
Yeah, I know how that is too, Viktor.
Yeah, I know.
So let me ask you a question. Looking out at the expo floor and all that we've seen here so far today, this isn't your first Jenkins World. It's not my first one either. What do you think about how big it's grown?
No, the growth is, I kind of, it's almost as if I don't work for Cloudbees. I know what's going to happen. I know what's coming, and I'm still continuously surprised how big that thing is growing.
It's growing,
It
continues to grow. Like that's pretty cool.
We as employees are having trouble following us up ourselves, kind of. Oh, I didn't know about that, and I work for you.
Excellent. All right. Well, Viktor, we're going to let you get back to your post here on the floor. Thanks for stopping in. Best of luck with the new book.
Brilliant.
And again, that's the DevOps Toolkit 2.2.
Yeah.
And its focus is on automation.
Self-adaptation.
Self-adapting.
self-sufficient systems. Yes.
Okay, excellent. Viktor Farcic, author, Cloudbees evangelist, all-around DevOps guru here at Jenkins World. This is Alan Schimmel for DevOps.com and DevOps TV.